Hello, thanks for joining me today. I am here to show you the goodies that I got in my PinchMe box. If you're not familiar with PinchMe, that is a group where you can sign up and you get samples to try for free in return for filling out a survey. I like PinchMe because I get free samples and the surveys do not take long to fill out. I get maybe 3 or 4 samples and I can have the surveys filled out in 15 minutes. Let's see what was in the PinchMe box. This is a product from Airborne. It was supposed to give you immune support and natural energy. I thought when it said zesty orange, it was going to be yummy, and it smelled wonderful. It smelled like a cross between Sunny D and baby aspirin. Well, I wish it tasted as good. I lasted 1 sip and that was it. Very, very bitter and had a strong aftertaste. So this one, when I did my review, it did not get a good review over there on PinchMe.com, which is why they send out samples. They want an honest review. From Hidden Valley Ranch, we got a plant-based version of their ranch salad dressing. If I didn't know that this was not the usual original, I wouldn't have known that there was a difference. It tasted exactly the same. And it is dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free, egg-free, vegetarian, and no artificial colors or flavors. So this one definitely got a good thumbs up. And I know, I'm blocking the camel. She's gonna have a conniption. Next up, there was a sample from Moroccan Oil shampoo and conditioner. This is their hydration version. They also have another version for repair. I enjoyed the sample. To be exact, the little packets were big enough that even with long hair, I'm able to get a couple of uses out of the product, out of the sample. Right now, I wouldn't say it's overperforming what I'm using, but it's not underperforming either. So for me, it's just gonna have to come down to looking at the price point. As is sometimes the case on PinchMe, the only way to check out is to pick a sample that you know darn well you're not going to use. And I wish they would change that because I feel bad taking something that someone else could use. Case in point, dog food. I don't have a dog. To be exact, I don't have a cat. So this is probably going to go unused unless I can offer it to a neighbor or friend that has a dog. Hey, Camel, would you want to try the dog food? Mon Dieu! It's the food! Je ne veux pas manger de nourriture pour chien. Je veux un bol de céréales d'avant et un grande verde d'eau, s'il vous plaît. Oh, well, maybe that wasn't a good suggestion. Anyway, thank you for coming along to see what was in my PinchMe box. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so because we're going to have lots of adventures this summer. And we hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.